Yeah, guys, this is how I plant my herbs. Some of them I plant them in buckets. So this is another herb I plant in my bucket. I don't know, I think this is oregano. I can't find the label, but I think it's oregano. So I plant it in my bucket. So when later on in the year, I'm gonna cut them down and then dry it and then use it as for my seasoning. And also my rosemary. Yes guys, rosemary in buckets. That's my herbs. Yeah, this is another herb that I plant. That is parsley. So that's my parsley. So the tomato tree is coming on the parsley. These tomato trees are going. Well, yeah, that's my parsley. And this one, oregano too. This is another oregano. Italian herb. So all these herbs, later on in the year, I'm gonna cut them down and use them for seasoning. I'm gonna dry them out and blend them out for seasoning. See, the basil. Yes, guys. I'm gonna see if these gonna. I don't know if they are seeding. So next year I don't have to plant anything because the seed. They're gonna drop seed and grow. They have a lot of seed and flowers on them, so I'm gonna pick the seed off and put them down for next year. The basil, I don't know if there's seed on basil, but I'll see. If there's seed, I'll pick them off and put them down. I'll let them stay there and drop so they can grow next year. So these are my herbs. All my herbs, guys. They're my herbs. Yes, guys. Plant your herbs, man. Plant your herbs in the summertime. Dry them out when it's hot. Dry them out and powder them and use them because none of these herbs have pesticide on them, guys. No pesticide is on these herbs. Only thing is on them is some garlic water. That's all is on them. Yes, guys, see? The cucumber tree is still blossoming and giving cucumber. See all these baby cucumber coming up? Yeah. I guess the bees